Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and confirming capabilities. First, check the TV's input, HDMI, MHL, or built-in Chromecast/AirPlay. Make sure your phone supports wired display output or wireless casting. This matters because different methods use different hardware and apps. Once done, update OS and enable Wi-Fi on both devices. Make sure they are on the same network for wireless casting. Also gather the HDMI cable or adapter you need, so you can move straight into connecting without interruptions. Now you connect using the method you picked. For wired, plug a USB-C/Lightning to HDMI adapter into the phone, connect HDMI to the TV, then select that HDMI input. This gives stable, low-latency video. For wireless, open your phone's cast or screen mirroring control and select the TV or Chromecast. During pairing, accept prompts on both devices. Alternatively, open an app like YouTube or Netflix and tap the cast icon to stream directly. Make sure volume and screen orientation are finished by verifying playback and tweaking settings. Check TV input, set phone orientation, and confirm audio is routed to the TV. This ensures correct aspect ratio and sound. If you see lag, stutter, or no signal, restart both devices, rejoin the same Wi-Fi, and update apps or firmware. These steps resolve most software issues. If problems persist, swap the HDMI cable or adapter, disable any VPN on your phone, or use the app's built-in cast button as a reliable fallback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.